think the summer university has been a great success this year. We have people from all over Europe. The talks have been very, very good. We have a very high intellectual level, but we also have the idea of activism, that we need to not only learn and study, but we need to put those ideas into practice and go out on the streets and convince the public that the counter-revolution can go ahead.
Those with more prudence dare to guess where their good king would soon process.
We organize those kind of conferences for young Catholics to make them militant, because we belong to the militant church, and this truth is a little bit forgotten in the last 50 years. So this gathering is very important, because many people who are like-minded, like us, they think that they are isolated, and they want to react against this revolutionary anti-Christian process which is destroying our civilization, our faith.
My favorite meeting was probably about the Crusades, or at least the Crusader spirit. We didn't necessarily talk about the Crusades that much, but we did talk about the spirit, and just something that you can use in today's world, even though you're not crusading through violence, but you're crusading through intellectually and converting people that way.
What do you think is the weapon of the night? And people are like, obviously the first thing you think of, oh yeah, the sword. The sword is the weapon of the night. No, the weapon is the rosary. The sidearm is the sword, the medieval knight sword, and it's shaped like a cross.
Our Lady will give us the needed strength to fight for her and for Catholic civilization, for Christendom, and will never leave us. She will be there with us in the battle so that we can conquer and be victorious over our enemies.